Hono mwanchu murigeria bune nchira yamo yo kwinyoria na kubwato ko Obosemia gochia saba na inchi Igoro yoborire bwenyamoreo nigo bone kiombeke mo gitariye serikali kyanyara ko bakegwesokia na kuriya kubwatarana ne serikali bune nchira yamo yo kwarigania umuyiga bw'ekigosori bwa maminyoko na bwigo hegati yemega yende ye chigosori na bwigo kubeke kambi iyo bobwenia omwerio bw'omutienyo igasegeti ye chigosori Kyanyayo Stadium ase county ya Nairobi andemo na sekerenga yo kubarenga ABASAE na bwigo kubasemia Nenchire yamo yokobeka emirobero yo gwetanga kubwatiraniwa n'oborero bwiga bwenyamoreo.
HIV infections in adults by the year 2030. We were joined by the PS. Dr. Omar Luga was here with us earlier and he launched this process. So we welcome Kenyans from all walks of life. On the 30th, we will have the national commemoration at Nyayo National Stadium, and that national commemoration will be an event for all people, for all, for all ages and all people of all walks of life. We'll have a 2-kilometer race, which is a family run for families to come and, walk or run or race towards the goal of ending AIDS as a public health threat. We'll have a race also for people with disability. It will be a 10-kilometer competitive race. We'll also have a 5-kilometer run for those of us who cannot do the 10 kilometers, and as well we'll have the 21.5 kilometers, which is the half marathon. Today also we are joined by the representatives from the Athletics Kenya, who have enabled us to measure the distance and draw the route map, because they're the ones who are entitled to do so, and they already made a presentation. Last year we had a very good turnout. We had about 7,000, and this year we are aiming at least 10,000 participants. And we have activities for those who cannot run. We'll also have activities within the field, activities for keeping fit, Zumba. We'll have activities for yoga. We'll have activities for the children. We'll have a children village. You saw Akili TV here with us, so they are also, preparing for us a village for the very young people and pre-teens and teenagers. We also have a youth village where we are partnering with the AIDS Healthcare Foundation to have a youth village where our young people can also enjoy. We also having a medical camp. On that day, we'll be screening and treating common morbidities which are prevalent in this city. And we are doing this in all of society, all of government approach, because several government agents have come together with the private and the non-state actors to make this.